ginger scallion steamed whole fish. If you were to order this in a restaurant, depending on location, it could run you up to $80. We're gonna make it for less than $20. There are some specialized equipment, but I guarantee you're gonna make this quite often. You're gonna need a wide wok, a wire rack, and a dome lid that goes with the wok. That's it for the specialized stuff. Let's start with the scallion greens. Line them up side by side and start chopping them down the row as fine as you can. Don't rush. It'll look something like this. This next part's optional and totally just for aesthetics. Add this to cold water overnight to curl it up, or add a few ice cubes and it'll curl up in 1 hour. Have the scallion whites and then chop them in a row just like the greens and add them to the water. Shave and cut up a double thumb sized piece of ginger. Half of it will be thick sliced and the other half will be thin sliced. For the thin, you're gonna fan it out like this and chop fine down the line. Take your time to get this right. Speed will pick up naturally and it should look like flimsy matchsticks. This is a striped bass. It's the best for this method in my opinion, but you can use any local whole fish that'll fit in your wok. Salt and white pepper is traditional. You want to season both sides and the inside as well. The thick slices of ginger will go in the inside cavity of the fish. The matchsticks will go on top of the fish. A loose layer will do just fine. Then place a bunch of scallions the same way. You're going to put fresh scallions at the end as well, so no need to go heavy here. Fill up your wok so the water level is a little higher than halfway up the height of the rack. Once your water is boiled, it's time to steam your fish. This is a 2.5 pound fish. It's going to take about 12 to 14 minutes. As that's cooking, heat up a 1/4 cup of canola or grapeseed oil in a small pot over medium heat. Don't worry about that liquid, just confidently dump that out. Move the cooked scallion to the side and place a bunch of fresh scallion on the fish. Add a small line of toasted sesame oil and pour on that very hot oil on top. You can see the difference between the fresh scallion and the steamed scallions. Both delicious. Seasoned soy sauce for seafood is the only type and brand that's used for this dish. Even the picture shows it. I've never seen any home cook or chef use anything different. Be generous with this pour. It should be about double the hot oil. Get yourself a steamy bowl of rice and enjoy your healthy and delicious